Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, ma'am and everyone. Welcome back to Group 5 presentation. Hello, Group 5. Halo.
Hello.
Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Mella Ayuningrum with student number 2020-12-500-773.
Hi, my name is Intan Nurjannah with NPM 2020-125-00761. Hi.
Hello, my name is Muhamad Zidan with the student number 2020-125-00882. Hi.
I am Delaila Tamiya with student number 2020-125-00881. Hi.
Aloha. My name is Asraf Fadillah with student number 2020-125-00852.
Hi, my name is Muhamad Fauzi with student number 2020-1250-0757. Hi.
Introducing myself? Okay, let's go. My name is Rifyal Zidny Akbar with student number 2020-125-00816.
Hi, my name is Putra Dermawan with student number 2020-125-00919. Hello.
Today, we Group 5 will explain about Classcraft as a tool to change your learning experience to be more fun. Classcraft is almost like a video game, so we think it will be very entertaining for you. Like usual, first, open www.classcraft.com. Remember, Classcraft can only be opened by Google Chrome, Safari, and Microsoft Edge.
After that, you need to create an account. Click this login button. Below the login choices, there is a sign up button. You can click it and choose whether if you are a teacher or a student. This time, we will pick the teacher mode. But if you are a student, click the student option. Do not worry, the sign-up process will be just the same, except that you will need student code which the teacher will give you. After agreeing and inputting personal information, it will immediately go to the main menu or home page.
As you can see here, this is the main menu of Classcraft. There are three main pages which are Home, Activity, and My Library. In Home, you make new class by clicking Add Class, and you can see all of your classes here. From this sub-page, you can also play and manage your class. In Activity, you can see all of the activity log, including what had the student done and its notification. In My Library, you will see the archives of your class activity, such as boss battles and regular quiz.
Now, we will teach you how to add class by clicking the Add Class button right here and create new class by inputting the class name, class language, and class setting for the level management. After you made the class, you will be sent back to the front main page and you can click this 3 periods button and click class settings. Now you can see that in the class board there is only a demo student for trying things. But first we need to do the tutorial first to open all of the features.
Click Begin My Setup and you can see that there are 4 chapters for the tutorial. You can begin the tutorial by clicking the topic symbol and you can click continue if you understand what to do. If you don't, you can click try it to be graded by the tutorial itself. From the tutorial, now we will learn about the positive behavior sets that we can choose. I am choosing social distancing and all of its positive behaviors. You can earn experience points or XP as students by doing or obeying these positive behaviors in class. The XP will be given by the teacher.
Now we will try to add the students. Here you can add them by typing their names or by linking your account to Google Classroom. After typing, click Save. You can start the chapter 1 now. To view student info, click View Profile on the student name. You can see all of their status here.
If you already finished the tutorial, the interface will change as the new features comes out now. In those tutorials, you probably already be guided to make things like quests, kudos, equipping pads, etc. Still don't get it? We will explain it once again to you. Let's begin with the class setting first. In the class setting, you can manage your class easily, including viewing their data. Then you can make teams by adding a team and dragging the student name to the team.
With this parent, Afiq, you can collaborate with the student parent. They can get notification about their children, activity and grade. Do they behave nicely? Are they being a rebel? You can collaborate with the parent by clicking Invite Parent. You can pick to voice between sending them printed handout with code inside or by sending email that contains invitation link.
We will move to co-host setting. You won't unlock this until you get school license. We don't have a school, neither a license. So, we are going to show you the tutorial from the Classcraft itself.
Well, hello there, all of you awesome educators and lifelong learners. Hutch with Classcraft here, and today I am very excited to show you how co-teaching works in Classcraft. Let's see how to add a co-teacher first. Then we will look at what you can do as a co-teacher. So here I am at my teacher homepage, and these two classes, my homeroom and my first period, are classes that I am the teacher for. This Classcraft course is a class at which I am a co-teacher with my colleague Kinshasa. I'm going to add Kinshasa as a co-teacher to my homeroom right now. I'm going to click these three dots to quickly get to my class settings. In my class settings, I can go to co-teachers here on the left, and I can see that I have already added Kinshasa as a co-teacher. I can remove a co-teacher at any moment by clicking this button, so I'm going to do so and confirm that, and then I'm going to show you how to add a co-teacher right now. Click the green button at the top right. You should be connected to a school. If you're not, you can't add a co-teacher because you and that other teacher need to be both connected to the same school. Classcraft will then automatically detect all of the other teachers who are connected to your school, show them to you in this list, and then you'll select the one or ones you want and click Next. And then you can set a duration for how long you want to be co-teaching this class, or you can just let that be an indefinite amount of time to run the whole school year maybe, and then click Add. Now Kinshasa receives an email at her school email address to let her know she is a co-teacher at this class. The next time she logs in to her teacher account, she will see Homeroom with Mr. Hutch. It'll look like this, and it'll tell her she's a co-teacher in it. Now, what can you do as a co-teacher? As a co-teacher, you can help manage the classroom. You can give out points just like the teacher. If the teacher's running something in class or doing something else in a Zoom meeting, you can be running the class through the class tools. You can help manage quests, you can help grade things and give students feedback in quests and move them forwards through the quest, but you cannot edit any of the things that the teacher has put in to the class. I cannot edit anything in the quest. Go to class settings, I can move students from one team to another, but I cannot edit the teams. I cannot edit the class behaviors, the powers, the pledges, or the random events in the class. So I can help run the class, but I cannot edit the customized things in the class because technically it's not really my class. Hopefully that was helpful, and we'll see you next time for something new and something cool. Thanks for watching.
Into the game settings. We got behavior as the first sub-pick. You can add positive and negative behaviors, and their reward or consequence. When creating behavior, you must the behavior name and its priority. You can also set the experience points, and if you already subscribe to Classcraft, you can add gold point also. After finishing, click Save.
Second, we have powers. In class, powers can be earned as a reward for leveling up after behaving positively. The student can use the power to get benefits, such as snacking in class or be able to wear headphones when doing assignments. We can edit the powers, but only the name of it. If you finish, click Save. Power has many kinds: universal, mage, guardian, and healer. What are mage, guardian, and healer? Let's hear what our friend want to say.
Mage, guardian, and healer are the roles which the students can pick in this platform. Each role has its own advantage and disadvantage. Guardian is the strongest one in defense, and the attack power is moderate. Guardian can protect teammates. Healer is the medic of the team. It can heal teammates after they losing health. Mage is the strongest one in power, but weakest in defense. Mage can give all teammates crystal and each power-ups.
How to pick roles? As a teacher, you can do by viewing their profile and click select character. Now you can choose your appearance and finish. Easy, right? Students can also choose roles by their own when they are logging for the first time.
Pledges. Pledges are consequences. Teacher can give punishment to misbehaving students. You can edit the punishments by clicking the pen symbol here, or you can create new punishment by typing it here and click Save.
Next is a random event. Classcraft provided us with a lot of fun pre-made random event. But you can make your own too. Click New Event and input the event name, whom it applies to, and what effect or activity they must do. You can set up the reward below them. You can add more effect, but I'm just going to leave it here.
Last is kudos. You can set kudos setting here. You can change the amount of kudos reward for the sender and the receiver. Kudos can be sent and be received by students.
The first setting is game rules. In this subpage, you can set the game mechanic rules. This includes the grading system. If the student has grade lower than 60, they will lose health. If theirs are above 60, they gain XP. Save change if you want to keep the new setting.
Next is interface. You can edit the game interface however you like. If you agree with the option, click the checkbox. The change will be applied immediately.
Then there is import settings. You can import existing class and import it to your current class. But the thing is, you will lose the current class because it will be replaced with the imported one. If you want to do it, check the agreement box here first, then click import.
Below is active apps. You can link Classcraft with other applications. Then, archive if you want to store your class. You won't be able to use it again, but it is still able to be imported.
Class Tool is a feature from Classcraft to allow students to have fun. It can be either done in single player or team. There is Random Picker, which allows students to be randomly gifted with experience points and gold pieces. Random events to do unique activities in class, and Volume Meter, which allows the student to play a game where you need to be silent in a span of time. If they passed, they will receive a certain amount of reward. Formative Boss Battle is a battle game where the students need to fight a monster in order to win a reward. They fight by answering the correct answer. And the last one, Kudos, is a way for students to appreciate of each other.
Now, this is the real deal. Making a quest for the students. Click quest symbol right here and click the plus symbol. Add new quest and click wherever you want to place your quest in the map. Input the quest name and select a quest map. Click next. Now you can assign it to specific class. A map will appear and you can click wherever to make introduction. Make sure to write an engaging introduction to attract students' interest. You can also upload a file by clicking click or drop to upload a file. Then click save.
We will create new objective by clicking random spot on map. You can do it anywhere. Enter the objective name. For the message names, you can choose ordinary text. Link it with Google Classroom Assessment, Google Form Quiz, and Gus, and as closing to your game. I will choose the ordinary text.
To make it more entertaining, give introduction, story to the objective. Write a name for the task and write the task informations. Click next. If you want to make the quest visible for students, click enable achievement. It will trigger more settings such as do that and the rewards. Then you can enable discussion to let the student interact with each other in the comment. You can also set the value of the rewards and active the self-paced progress, which will automatically move to the next quest after finishing it. Click save.
Before you play, you need to link the introduction and the quest. You can see the information about the quest. Inside, you can discuss with the others. If you want to delete the quest, you can click the delete button. Do not forget to click this icon to make the quest visible for the student. Then finish the submitting process.
Analytic is a tool to see every activity of every student. You will be shown game feed, and students overview which needs a school license.
You can message your students in messaging window. The mechanism is pretty simple. Pick a student name and message them as if you are in a chat room.
Signing up a student is pretty easy. It is almost the same as how the teacher sign up, with difference such as the importance of student code. First, teacher will give you the student code for you. Then you can sign up a student, put in the code, and you can sign up with Google, ClassLink, Clever, or with username. We will try with username. Input username, then input password. Click start playing.
Once you get inside, you will be greeted with the greeting page, and you can click continue. You all need to create character after that. When the loading is over, the student character information will be displayed. No, you can do quiz. Well, of course not on the fresh account. Your teacher needs to complete the tutorial first and making quiz before doing that.
Doing assignment or playing game? Why not both? With Classcraft quest, you can do assignment as if you are playing a game. You can change your equipment first before doing a quest. I'm equipping a pet. How fancy! Now we can go to the quest subpage and play the quest.
Click the quest icon and start the quest. Click the objective and you can read the story first. After that, click Task Complete on the text panel and click the objective again. Go to the assignment panel and do your schoolwork. If you are finished, click Submit. You can also discuss with everyone in the discussion panel.
Teachers can grade and give feedback to students' work. First, go to Quest panel and click the target assignment. You can see the class discussion on the discussion panel and even giving them points for good behavior. Then, the teacher can go to the overview panel to give feedback about their assignment by clicking the feedback button. You can write anything such as praise or correction. Click Save when you are done. The teacher also can give outcome results which are correct or incorrect. I will give the student correct because they are.
Student can give kudos to each other to appreciate each other. To send kudos, you can go to the kudos panel on the student account. Click Send Kudos, pick a student or a team to praise, and pick the kudos type. Then you can type your kudos message and click Submit.
As a teacher, you must check and approve every kudos that's submitted. If you think that the kudos are appropriate, you can approve it. To do it, open kudos from main menu or from class tool. Next, you will see a queue list about kudos. Click the targeted kudos to check inside. You can give them award if you think your kudos are good. Below, you will see several options which allow you to auto-publish, delete, or request change the kudos. When you are finished, you can click Approve.
Okay, that's all for our presentation about the Classcraft. Sorry if we make any mistake. Thank you very much for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.